Hello everyone, I am Dinesh Vasudev Patil from SYB from Modern College of Pharmacy. Today I am going to explain about the barbiturates. A barbiturate is a drug that acts as a central nervous system depressant and can therefore produce a wide range of effects from mild sedation to death. Here is a structure of barbiturates, and the IUPAC name of barbiturate is 2,4,6-trioxytetrahydro-2H-pyrimidine 1-IDE. The molecular formula is C4H4N2O3 and the pharmaceutical name is a malonylurea. Here is a 3D structure of a barbiturates which helps to easily remember the structure. If you can see this structure for just 5 minutes, this structure is easily remembered. The red is considered as O, and the blue is considered as N, and the grey is considered as a C, and the white is considered as a H. Here is the first type of drug of barbiturate, phenobarbital. The phenobarbital is also known as a phenobarbital or pherobarb. It is medication of a barbiturate type. It is recommended by the World Health Organization (WHO) for the treatment of certain types of epilepsy. The IUPAC name is a 5-ethyl 5-phenyl acid and the molecular formula is C12H12N2O3 and the medicinal use of a phenobarbital is epilepsy and the pharmaceutical name of phenobarbital is luminal gardenal. Here is a 3D structure of phenobarbital which helps to easily remember the structure. This structure is similar to the barbiturates. At the 5th position, there are 2 attached carbons, and the first position contains the 1-methane group and the 0 position contains the benzene ring as compared to the barbiturates. If you can see the structure for just 5 minutes, the structure is easily remembered. Here is the second type of drug of barbiturate, methabarbital. The methabarbital is a barbiturate anticoagulant used in the treatment of epilepsy. It has similar properties to phenobarbital but different structure. The IUPAC name of barbital is a 5,5-diethyl-1-methyl-2,4,6-pyrimidine. The molecular formula is C9H14N2O3 and the medicinal use is epilepsy, insomnia, and the pharmaceutical name for the methabarbital is Gemonil. Here is a 3D structure of methabarbital which helps to easily remember the structure. The red is considered as O, the blue is considered as a N, and the grey is considered like C, and the white is considered as a H. This structure is also similar to the barbiturates. Here is a structure of barbiturates which contains at the 2nd position. Here is nitrogen group attached to the 1-methane and here is also 1-methane. Here is also 1-methane as compared to the barbiturate. If you can see this structure for just 5 minutes, the structure is easily remembered. Thank you.